Hello, this is liotech. We just come back with another useful video. So you may run different applications on your computer, and some application may not responding to you, or it may say like this, not responding. So if you face such kind of problem, you can simply solve this problem by just going to the taskbar. So here you have to go to the taskbar around here, and you have to press the right click, and all this option will appear. So you have to choose the task manager here, so you have to click it, and it will show you all the applications that are running on your computer. So I have almost 5 applications or programs that are running on my computer. So you have to choose the one which is not responding to you. So like this one may not responding to you. So if the program is this one, so you have to also click the right click, and you have to end the task. So here it says end the task. So you have to close the program by clicking the end task. So the program is not responding to you and it is not closing to you. So just by this one you have to end it. So when I press end task, so as you can see, the applications that are running just ended successfully. So by making this small technique, you have to close the one program that is not responding to you. So this is the info that I have for you. So you have to use it precisely so that you can close the program that are not running to you. So this is the information I have for you, and if the video is useful, you have to make it share to other viewers so that they can be benefited. And you have, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time. I will get back to you. Bye bye.